I'm Lindsey Gregg, designer, tastemaker, and lover of fashion and function.
Surprise!
When tackling a home project or renovation, sometimes the planning can take weeks, months, or even years.
Okay. Don't forget your tools.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Now, for a few lucky homeowners, my team and I are kicking it into high gear to make homeowner dreams a beautiful reality.
Open your eyes.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Luckily, when it comes to your dream room, all I need is a day. This is Dream Room in a Day.
I'm at Custom Colors today, and my friends Eric and Caroline Lytle are inside right now looking for some inspiration for Caroline's craft room. Caroline is a fantastic jewelry designer with a booming business, but her office space is lacking a little bit of organization and a lot of inspiration. So I'm gonna go inside today and see how I can help them get a dream room done in a day.
Eric, I feel like we need to do something to the workroom. I need to change something up so I can get a little bit more inspiration.
Well, you could paint it maybe.
Okay, y'all know I love a surprise. Let's go find the Lytles.
Hi guys!
Hey, Lindsey! How are you?
I'm good, I'm so glad to see you. I hear you're trying to update the office a little bit.
Yeah?
Caroline, you know I'm such a huge fan of your jewelry, and I want to help you have a great creative workspace where you can do your magic. So how about we do a dream room in a day?
No way. Like right now?
Right now.
We're gonna change the workroom.
Yeah, we're gonna get a shopping list together right now, and then we'll get started.
That would be awesome. That would be awesome.
I'm Caroline.
I'm Eric.
And we're the Lytles. I am the owner and creator of High Strung, and we make unique, one-of-a-kind jewelry.
To hear Lindsey say that we're getting a dream room in a day is amazing.
Amazing.
But I'm a little skeptical, honestly. Caroline has so many pieces, so many little beads everywhere. It would take me a week. I don't know how you're gonna do it.
It would take him a year.
In a day. But
A year and a day?
Got my fingers crossed.
I know the Lytle family because Caroline Lytle is the owner of High Strung, which is a fabulous jewelry company. I'm a huge fan of Caroline's. I love all of her High Strung jewelry and accessories, obviously. Okay, Caroline, I have a really fun idea for the workroom. I want to do a really cool accent wall. It's gonna have some really interesting intersecting straight lines. I want it to feel inspirational without feeling chaotic.
Okay.
So we're gonna use the Wooster Alpha paintbrush, the alpha dog of brushes, because it gives a really nice, smooth, straight line. We won't have to tape off with any painter's tape, which is huge on a day like today when time is really of the essence.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Okay, well, we don't have a lot of time.
Okay.
Let's get to the house and let's go get started.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Sure.
Right now.
Okay.
Caroline is so open to this idea. She seems really excited and is very trusting, and I really appreciate that since we haven't worked together before.
We totally trust Lindsey.
We trust Lindsey.
And she's got a team behind her, and I just, oh my gosh, it's gonna be amazing.
I'm so lucky to be getting a behind the scenes tour of the High Strung offices.
Oh my goodness, well, here we are in the workroom.
What a great space.
Oh, thanks.
So this is your headquarters for your business. Tell me what happens in here day to day.
Oh my goodness, well, there's a lot that goes down in this teeny tiny little space, but let me show you a couple things.
Okay.
So this is my inspiration wall.
I love it.
Yeah.
Good old fashioned.
Yeah, there's a lot to be said for some magazine and some good old washi tape.
Yes, I'm right there with you.
Yeah. So this is sort of our main beading area when all the girls are here working. This is where we do a lot of our wrapping. Once the jewelry's made, we wrap it up and get it ready to ship out. So these are some of my co-workers. They're the best ones I have. So this is Jennifer, this is Savannah, And, you know, they don't give me any complaints. They do what they need to. The only downfall is they can't really lend a hand.
Oh,
yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
You look like you have some really great organization going on already. There's so many like teeny tiny little things that you have to know where they are and how to put them together and have it available for your team. Like, how important is organization for you with this business and in this space?
Yeah, well, because it's so small, it's important that we sort of have things where we can easily find them.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, I feel like you're on a really great track, and like some areas you've been able to pay attention to, and then some others like maybe that aren't as essential for multiple people to be using at once.
Right.
Are sort of like fallen by the wayside.
Yes.
Wait a minute. I'm just having a moment here. Excuse me. Do you just mind if I make a quick wardrobe change?
Yeah. I would love it. Yes.
Fix me up, please.
It looks so good.
Okay, I know I'm not here to shop for jewelry. I'm here to help you with your space. So let me like get it back together.
Okay.
And get to work for you. Thank you for the tour though.
Yes.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you for coming.
I'm so excited to help out you and High Strung.
Thank you. I can't wait to see.
Okay, I'm gonna get to work.
As a small business owner, Caroline has been working so hard to create beautiful pieces for her clients and grow her business. But because of that, she hasn't had the time she really wanted to make her office what it needs to be. As her business grows and gets more popular, her needs are changing. So I'm here to try to help her achieve her dream.
My dream vision for this workspace would be to have a space that is open and free of clutter and provides me or gives me the motivation and the inspiration coming through the walls, through the floor, to create new designs and really honestly a space that I'm proud of. Oh, my biggest pet peeve in the workspace is the carpet. Carpet in a workroom, doing the things that we're doing is the most impractical flooring possible.
I am concerned about getting it all done in a day. Having to paint the floor is a really huge commitment. Luckily, between this team of professional and the great Wooster tools, they're gonna make it come together really quickly. I think you and I both know that when we have a lot of sheetrock in a room, one fun way to add interest to the space is with an accent wall. Since this is Caroline's sort of inspiration board wall, I want to do something really cool to it. I was thinking maybe 3 big triangles, all different colors, but all still in the same cool blue shades. If I was doing this myself at home, I would just get out my blue painter's tape, put it on the wall and figure out my shapes. But I'm not a professional like you guys, so what is your plan?
So since we don't have the luxury of time today, what we're going to do is start with popping our lines, and then we're going to use our Wooster angle brushes with our professional team, and we're going to cut right out to that line and make a perfect line for our triangles.
Now that we've used the chalk box to create these really sharp lines, we need to cut in the paint to those. So cut right up to it and create that razor sharp line.
So we're going to start with the paint. The walls are getting a lighter, fresher color all the way around the room, and the floor is gonna be a really beautiful blue. That's so unique, and you can't get away with that in just any room, but this is the perfect space to really have some fun. Of course, we're going to add the feature wall with the different shades of blue triangles. We're going to add some closed cabinetry so that she can put away some of the small, tiny little pieces that she needs to make her jewelry and necklaces. We're also bringing her some new counter stools that are a little bit lighter and airier. We're gonna change out that sort of industrial looking pendant light of hers and add something that's a little bit more glamorous. This is actually a two-part reveal in my opinion, because we're going to have this huge paint transformation and also some really great new organizational tools for Caroline. Who doesn't love a double shot of a reveal? Caroline, you have a fabulous growing business and you are so much fun, and I just want this room to reflect you and be good for your business as it continues to grow. So, on 3, open your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God!
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, I love it so much. Oh my God. I mean, I cannot believe what these guys were able to accomplish in one day for the Dream Room makeover.
I had my doubts at first when they said dream room in a day, but they have done it and it looks great.
What a relief. We got this room completed in a day and it looks amazing. Caroline is just over the moon about it. I'm just so excited that we pulled it off.
Oh my
That is
gosh.
so cool.
Oh, that is so cool. I love all the lines and the colors. I mean, you nailed it. Good, good. That feature wall is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Oh, and you got more lights in here?
Yes.
We didn't have enough light, really.
Well, yeah.
That light before was really directional, and this kind of like sends it out into the room a bit more. Plus removing the blinds, let in a lot of natural light. And then yeah, a pair of lamps over there.
Who would have thought, like, just changing the things up a little bit would make such a huge impact in the room? Like, completely different. It feels like 1,000,000 pounds have been lifted off my shoulders. To be able to walk up there and have a space that is organized and fresh. This room is over the top inspirational.
Caroline, thank you for letting us do this for you. It was so fun to work on your workroom. I feel like we took it from an upstairs forgotten space and turned it almost into like a retail boutique space.
Yeah, I mean, you absolutely did. And one of the things that I sort of regretted the most was that I was sort of embarrassed to invite people up to the space. And now I'm really excited to share that with other people.
Oh, good.
So speaking of, I think I have some crew downstairs. Ladies, come on up.
Oh my
God.
This looks amazing.
It's so bright.
It's so big.
It's gorgeous.
Wow.
This is a huge dream room success.
This is definitely a dream room in a day.
Savannah and Jennifer are just gonna lose their heads over this space.